In this video, I'll detail how to change default browser on iPhone on iOS 18, or how to change Safari from being your default browser to maybe Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox or your choice of browser on your iPhone. So here basically you learn how you can easily change default browser on iPhone on iOS 18. So if at the end of this video you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So to do this, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on apps. Here you want to locate the application you want to set as default browser. Then if you have Chrome browser, just come down here and locate Google Chrome browser. And if you are using Mozilla Firefox, then come down here and locate Mozilla Firefox or any other browser you want to set as your default browser on iPhone on iOS 18. So in this case, I want to use the Chrome browser. Go ahead and select the Chrome browser. Once you selected the Chrome browser, scroll down here and choose default browser hub. Then click on that. Then you see a list of browsers you have on your iPhone on iOS 18 here. Now to switch the default browser here, if you're using Safari before, then just choose Chrome. So once you selected Chrome on this page, then hit the back button, the Chrome browser which you set as your default browser app on your iPhone on iOS 18. So it's can easily change default browser on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.